Hello.
Hello friend, and welcome to today's video lesson. Our topic for today is inference. Inference. So what's inference and how can we infer? That's what I'm going to be explaining in today's video. Let's go right into the lesson. Inference is when we take clues from a text or picture to make an intelligent guess of what is happening. So for you to infer, you need to take clues from either a text or from a picture and use those clues to guess what is happening. Alright, so let's see an example. So from our definition of inference, we are expected to use either pictures or texts to search for clues. So let's search for our clues here. The guy has closed eyes, bent glasses, and he is yawning. So we have 3 clues from this clip. Now let's make an intelligent guess with these clues. What do you think is happening here? What do you think is happening to the guy? I think the guy is tired and feeling sleepy. Alright, the clues we have: the closed eyes, bent glasses, yawning are signs of tiredness and one who is feeling sleepy. His glasses are bent and he can't even notice it because he's so tired and he's so sleepy. Okay. So we have inferred. This is what inference is about: taking clues from pictures or texts and using those clues to guess what is actually happening. Okay, another example. Which book title better matches the picture? So I have a picture here. I'm going to be suggesting titles and you'll be telling me which will best match the picture. Airplanes and fast trains over the moon. So what do you think? Airplanes and fast trains. I can't see a plane, neither can I see a train, so that is a no-no. Over the moon, I can see a rocket and I can see that the rocket is in space and I can see something that looks like the moon. So the best answer and the best choice for this book title will be Over the Moon. Okay, let's infer. Which book title better matches the picture? The Squirrel, the Tree, and Me, Waiting for Spring Flowers, The Red Leaves of Fall. What do you think? Let's check our first option. The Squirrel, the Tree, and Me. I can see the tree, I can see me, I can't see a squirrel. That's a dog. The second one, Waiting for Spring Flower, I can see rain droplets suggesting spring season, and the tree has no flowers. Okay. The third one says The Red Leaves of Fall. There are no red leaves in the picture and the picture talks more or suggests spring season rather than fall or autumn. So our best option for this book title is Waiting for Spring Flower. The girl looks like someone who is waiting, and she's waiting for the tree to bear flowers in spring. So Waiting for Spring Flower should be the best option. And another example. Read the text. Daniela carefully finished packing her books in the box and then taped it tightly shut. She gave a last glance round the empty room and sighed. I will miss this room. Based on the text, which sentence is most likely to be true? Daniela works in a bookshop. Daniela is moving. Daniela's books are heavy. So what do you think is the answer? What do you think? Daniela works in a bookshop from our first option. Daniela works in a bookshop. Well, there's nothing in the text that talks about work, and they didn't tell us the room was a bookshop. So the first option is a no-no. Daniela is moving. Our second option, Daniela is moving. Okay, it talked about her packing books and talked about an empty room, and also said she sighed and said she was going to miss the room. So the second one may likely be the answer, but let's see our third option. Daniela's books are heavy. Well, nothing in the text suggests that. It never mentioned her books were heavy, so the third is a no-no. So the best option that is most likely true is the second option. Daniela is moving. Maybe she's moving to another room, or she's moving to another town or another house, and that's why she had to pack all her things, all her books. The room was empty, and she even mentioned she was going to miss the room. That shows she's moving. Okay, so this is what inference is about: taking clues from texts or from pictures and using those clues to make intelligent guesses of what is happening. Okay, so I would love you to try out this activity, and see you in my next video class. Bye bye.